Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use chroma key background remover in your videos in CapCut. So to do that, it's pretty simple. You just have to open your project and tap on the video where you would like to use the chroma key background remover. Tap on the background remover on this long menu that is going to appear on the bottom of the screen. Then tap on chroma key on the right side. And with this, you can pick a color from the screen that you would like to remove. You can set the intensity of this. Obviously, the higher you go, the more it is going to remove. And you can also set the shadows and the feather. As you can see, it's going to feather out more with this. And this is the edge cleanup. And with this, you can just use the check mark and it is going to remove those parts. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation. Bye bye.